so that the following system of equations do not have a non-trivial solution. That means we have to prove that it has a trivial solution. Okay, so it's a homogeneous set of equations. How many variables are there? X, y, z and u. So 4 variables are there. Okay. So in case of homogeneous, we have two cases: either it's trivial solution or it's non-trivial solution. In case of trivial solution, the rank will be equal to number of unknowns. Trivial basically means that all the values of variables will be 0. Suppose if we have three variables x, y and z, so for trivial solution means that x equals to 0, y equals to 0 and z equals to 0. It also means that it is a representation of unique. So trivial goes for unique and non-trivial for infinite number of solutions. Okay, so for non-trivial we have rank lesser than number of variables. So let's start. Now in this case we don't need to find the augmented matrix, we directly have to reduce the coefficient matrix to the echelon form to find the rank. So 1 2, then we have z which is 0 and then we have -2, then we have 2 -1, again z is 0 and then we have -1. So we have 1 y0 z2 u -1. Now again we have 4 -1 3 and then -1. So this is it. Now we can apply the operation r2 to r2 minus twice r1, r3 to r3 minus r1 simply, r4 to r4 minus 4 times r1. So our matrix reduces to 1 2 0 -2. This is 0. This will be 4. It's twice will be 4, and as we are subtracting, so it will be -5. This will be 0. Okay, and this will be 4, but as we are subtracting, so in actually we are adding minus minus plus, so 4 -1, that is 3. This will be 0. Now r3 minus r1 simply, so this will become -2. Okay, this will be remain as 2, and this will be 2 -1 which is 1. This will become 0. 4 times of this is 8, so if we are subtracting this, so -9. This will remain as 3. 4 times of this is -8, and we are adding, so it's -7. Now what we can do is we can take out -5 from the second row, so we can write r2 to r2 divided by -5, and the matrix will look like 1 2 0 -2 0 1 0 -3 by 5. Then we have this 0 -2 2 and 1, and 0 -9 3 and 7. Now this one is anyway fine, because the first non-zero element should be unity, so this is fine. Now with the help of this one, we want to make this and this 0, so I am writing r3 to r3 plus twice r2, and simultaneously I am using r4 to r4 plus 9 times r2. So I will get 1 2 0 -2 0 1 0 -3 by 5 0 0 2, and this is r3 to r3 plus twice r2, so this will be -6 by 5. This is 0, this will become 0, this will remain 3, r4 to r4 plus 9 times r2, so this is -27 by 5. and 7 minus 27 by 5 will give us 8 by 5. Okay, so I think there is no need to further reduce. If you want, you can do one more thing. R2 to R2 minus R3, and that multiplied by minus 1. So 120 minus 2, 010 minus 3 by 5, 00. Now this will become 0 and 0. So this is basically R3 to R3 minus R4. So I am using this 2. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1, multiplied by minus 1, that will give me 1. Okay, now minus 6 by 5 minus 8 by 5 is nothing but minus 14 by 5 multiplied by minus 1. So that will give me 14 by 5 here, and this is 0, 0, 3 and 8 by 5. Okay, now anything as we can do with this is we can make this 3 0 just by R4 to R4 minus thrice R3. So R4 to R4 minus thrice R3. So we'll get 120 minus 2, 010 minus 3 by 5, 00114 by 5, and 000, and thrice of this is 42 by 5. 8 minus 42 by 5 is minus 34 by 5. Now we can't make it further simple. Okay, so that's it, we stop here. Now if we look at the number of non-zero rows, so it's 4. So rank of A, let's suppose this matrix which we are simplifying is A, so rank of this is 4, which is equal to number of variables, number of unknowns. So it has trivial solution. So if they ask us, we can write x equals to 0, y equals to 0, z equals to 0 and u equals to 0 if they haven't asked this in this question. So if this has trivial solution, so it will not have non-trivial solution. So it was an easy question. You have to write the statement at the last that it will not have a non-trivial solution because it has a trivial solution. So that's it from my side.